at these markets. That's how things are likely to play out. All right. Now, with that said, back to our range. How are we playing this range? Well, it looks like price is trying to regain acceptance and conjure up and fill these gaps here. Just as we said, easy up, easy down. But easy down, that also means easy up. So price can do one of two things, or three things. Price can create a nice little internal range here before deciding what to do, up or down. Okay. Alternatively, price can actually say, well, I'm going to come back down here. And if that's the case, watch this low to see what happens when we get to that low. If it comes back, flip structure here and breaks up, I'm going to be targeting this range high again. All right, we're going back to the all-time highs. But if we start closing below this level, as I've so beautifully drawn here, then I'm going to be quite bearish. Now, do I care what happens? No. Will I make money either way? Yes. All right. So another thing price could do here is actually just head back up. Could head back up. Oh, phone call. Could head back up. Perhaps sweep that one more time for 4 taps. But if we get 4 taps at the high, that's actually quite bullish in my books. That could mean, actually on a higher time frame, that we are headed higher. So just bear that in mind. All right, that's enough for the macro outlook of Bitcoin. That's enough. Now, how does this affect me tomorrow? Is my question. Yes, we know what the macro might look like. What trades am I entering tomorrow or tonight? Or what trades did you enter yesterday? Well, there were a few trades. There were a few notable trades that, you would be, you need to be a bit more advanced to notice them. But there were a few trades. So let's talk you through a few of them. Don't forget, this is just that expansion leg down that we saw. So first thing first, Bitcoin flushed all the way down. As you can imagine, because that move was so aggressive, right? There was so much supply infused into the market. We've got all these zones. A 1 hour supply zone there, a 2 hour supply zone here. Okay, we've got a 30-minute supply zone that's confident with the POC. All right, and its green boxes are our 618 levels, our 618 retracement zones. So what happened then? Well, we had this massive flush down. We reacted at a supply zone, this gray box, dipped into the supply zone, obliterated any other supply that came before it. All right, but we are where we are. And what